Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination based question. In many countries, traditional foods are being replaced by the fast food. This has a negative impact on the family, individual and society. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Let's start. Nowadays, consumption of the fast food has exceeded the imbibing rates of the homemade bread. It is believed that the usage of these such foods has devastating effect starting from an individual to society. I truly agree with this notion. This essay shall present various disadvantages of the ready-to-use e-beadle with relatives. Example BP1 to interact with the negatives that this form of the meal has on a person is that these substances make youngster plumber. This is because these material contain high amount of the fats and carbohydrates in them, thus decreasing the efficiency of the doing work moving further. Such consumed stuff is often found to be culprit of the serious health ailments like heart attack due to deposition of the extravagant fatty product in the arteries of the heart. For example, this could be observed that the people who eat thus all diets suffer less from the obesity and chest pain in comparison to the middle-aged humans who prefer digesting pre-cooked food. BP2 additionally, this might have the deterring impact not only the family but on the community as well. These items are expensive enough, so spending a lot on these might disturb the family budget. For example, an employee who is working on monthly earning of the 10,000 rupees having a habit of intaking the frozen snacks may exhaust about the 30% of the pack, consequently unable to save enough money for the other deeds. Moreover, the waste produced from the stall and the package of these eating item leads to the gyrating soil pollution, hence the making the landscape less picturesque. In conclusion, also this savory ample time for the masses. It is still infrastructures as might impose the risks to the physical fitness or rise the facial or crisis and promote the degradation of the soil. At last, I would like to reiterate that such feeds should be avoided, keeping in mind their impact. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.